What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Sunday Stock Show with Lucas. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my top 3 picks for this week. They're going to be a little bit diversified in different industries, and some of them are going to have to do with the sell-off from earnings. So stay tuned to hear those top 3 picks for this week. And as always, this video is for entertainment purposes only, and it's sci-fi time, so let's get into this. So the first stock that I want to talk about is going to be ticker symbol Visa. Visa over the past 6 months has been very bullish, continuously hitting higher highs. They pulled back a little bit here. This is with a big Dow pullback and the NASDAQ pullback as well. They recuperated very well. Recently in the past week, they have sold off a tiny bit. They're currently sitting at $246.40. I do think this week they are going to run back up and go test their resistance level and break a new high. So I see them going back above 252. Their all-time high is 252.67. I could see them going up above that to 253, 254 approximately, which would give us a nice return of approximately 3.5% to 4% depending on where it hits. So that's the first stock that I want to look at, is ticker symbol Visa. The next one I want to go take a look at is going to be CAT, Caterpillar. Again, they just reported earnings this week. There was a big earnings week. A lot of big companies, whether it was tech or more in the industrial area, like Caterpillar, Deere, all had earnings. Caterpillar recently reported earnings. They did pull back significantly, and they're sitting at a nice level here of 206.75. They have in the past pulled back to these levels. If we come back and look at the past 6 months, they have done this a couple of times in the past. They've sold off to this 206, 205 area. And recently in the past month, they've also pulled back once aggressively, as I just mentioned, when the Dow and the NASDAQ pulled back. So they did break and they created themselves a new support level. However, with this earnings sell-off, they came down and didn't go down to that old support level. They found themselves at an old common one that they keep bouncing off of, which is that 205, 206. If they are to sell off this week, I could see them pulling back down and possibly coming to retest that $200 level. If not, and they begin to reverse upwards, which it seems like it closed on Friday, it already started to do so, I could see them pulling back up to at least $215 a share, making a nice little return on options, which this move will happen relatively quickly, of about a 3.32% stock move, which is a very good return when playing options, especially with Caterpillar. Now the last stock that I want to go take a look at is going to be ticker symbol FDX, which is FedEx. Just before I get into that, I want to kind of talk to you why FedEx pulled back. So if we come take a look at UPS, so United Parcel Service, they sold off really aggressively because of earnings and came pulling down all the way down here, found themselves a new support at about $190 a share. If we go take a look at FedEx on the exact same date, they pulled back and broke out of their trading pattern that they were in, right? They kept coming down here, touching the 287, 288 mark, would run back up to 300, back down, back up, back down, back up, etc. However, this time with UPS's earnings, this is a parallel play. So they also get affected by their rivalry competitor because they are so tightly correlated to one another. So because UPS came crashing down, so does FedEx. So they pulled back and came all the way down here to about $280 a share. This is one that I do like a lot. I would prefer playing FedEx over UPS because UPS had earnings. This just acted negatively to that information, but is bound to rerun up and reverse back upwards to these $300 level. So I really like this play here, and this can possibly give you a return of approximately 6% on almost a $300 stock. That is a great return. So keep those on your watch list, guys. All right. And aside from that, I wish you guys all have a great Sunday, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at our live trading. If you guys haven't signed up for our Discord yet, there's a free link in the bio with a free trial. What you can also do to support our channel is like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. Have a good one, everybody.